Hello! In this video, we will show you how to clean your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Jovia. We suggest you perform this cleaning routine at least once a month. Make sure your Jovia is switched off and unplug it. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Remove the drip tray. Separate the grid from the tray. Clean the tray with hot water and a damp sponge cloth. Do the same with the grid. Lift the locking handle. Remove the capsule holder. Rinse it with drinking water or pop it in the dishwasher. Be careful of the water injector. Clean the inside of the head with a damp sponge cloth. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still rinse Jovia. Push down the locking handle. Plug in Jovia and switch it on. While Jovia warms up, the power button blinks red. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. Use a container to collect the water. Move the lever to the hot position. Jovia will start rinsing. Count 10 seconds. Then, move the lever back to the stop position to stop the flow. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. Remove the container. Put the drip tray back. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Be careful of the water injector. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Use a soft cloth to clean the machine and not a wet sponge. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Jovia.